Hello there, this is the Bookkeeping Master on YouTube. Welcome to this free Sage 50 Cloud training course. This course is absolutely for free, it's on YouTube, and it will teach you the basics of Sage 50 Cloud. At the end of this course, I'll go into some more advanced features of Sage, but all of it is for free. Now, I've done a course like this probably 4 or 5 times now for Sage. The reason being they keep updating the software, so it changes slightly. The layout changes slightly. Sometimes there's new features that are added. If this isn't the version of Sage that you're using, it could be that you're using a newer version or even an older version. What I recommend you do is go over to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com. Go to free stuff, start here. If you click on that, scroll down until you find the Sage videos, Learn Sage, so click on that. And then on this page are all the Sage courses that are available on my YouTube channel. These are all for free and they all have links to each and every video. So Sage 50, that's the original Sage 50, Sage Instant Accounts, Sage 1, currently doing the Sage 50 Cloud now. Sage Business Cloud Accounting will be done shortly, so when you're watching this video, this may be available too. And then there are some other Sage videos too. These are the much older versions down here. Now, what I recommend you do is actually go to my website, freebookkeepingaccounting.com, go to this page and follow this course by using the links that will show under here, Sage 50 Cloud. The reason being, YouTube isn't that great at suggesting the next video to watch. So there could be 30 or so videos in this course, and YouTube might not recommend them in order. So please go to freebookkeepingaccounting.com, find this Sage 50 Cloud course here, and go through the videos. A couple of things to mention also before we get started. If you want one-on-one training, I do offer that. Also, if you'd rather I go through this with you personally and give you more bespoke, tailored training, then I do offer Sage 50 Training one-on-one. Just go to services here and follow the links. Alternatively, you can drop me an email, info@bpfs-online.com. That's Bravo Papa Foxtrot Sierra-online.com. The other thing to mention is I also offer email support. So if you get stuck and you want email support, then once again, just follow that services, follow the links for Sage email support, and I can help you over email. Now, what's this course going to cover? It's going to cover basically everything from start to finish. We'll have a look at setting up your business or the business on Sage 50 Cloud. We'll have a look at the sales ledger, things like invoicing, credit control, receipts when customers pay, customer payments, customer statements, and a lot more. We'll also look at the purchase ledger, such as recording invoices, adding suppliers, payments to suppliers, how to record them on Sage, and much more. We'll have a look at the bank, recording money in and out of the bank, so payments and receipts. We'll have a look at bank reconciliations at the end of this course. We'll have a look at VAT. We'll talk about some VAT features throughout this course, but there will be a module on VAT returns at the end of this course. And then also at the end of this course, we'll dive into some more advanced features of Sage 50 Cloud, such as fixed assets, departments, projects, purchase orders, sales orders, quotations. We'll have a look at the diary and just other features. Now, one final thing I guess to mention before we get started. Your Sage may look a bit different. If it does, don't panic. It's all pretty much the same. Even if you can't find the version that you're using, if it's not identical, do not worry. You also may not have as many buttons on the side here. For example, fixed assets might not show. Perhaps sales orders is not showing on your Sage 50 either. Do not worry if it isn't. Simply just skip those videos that teach those features, those modules on Sage. The reason why they don't show is I'm using the most extensive version of Sage. You may have a more basic version. But I would say no matter what Sage software you have, 90 to 95% of this course content will be applicable to you, and you will be able to follow along. So this was the first video. It's purely an introduction. In the next video, we'll get started by entering your company details, and then we'll dive into how to use the Sage software. I've been using this for many years now, almost a decade, maybe slightly more than a decade. I know the software very well. So let's get started. If you do hear background noises now and then, I do apologize. I'm doing this from home. I have 4 kids who can be crazy sometimes, so you might hear them shouting in the background sometimes. You might hear someone crying. You might hear my phone ring sometimes. I do apologize for any background noise, but I'll do my best to edit that out and to provide a good experience for you.